Want to blow up your YouTube channel starting from video number 1? No warm-up, no test uploads, just pure strategy that brings views and subs from day 1. Let's be real, most new creators drop a dub. Welcome to my channel, video and wonder why it flops. Here's the truth. The algorithm doesn't care that it's your first video, but it does care if people click, watch and engage. So, if you're just starting out, your first video needs to be strategic, emotional and curiosity driven. And today, I'm giving you video ideas that most creators are too scared or too lazy to start with. You want growth? Then start playing it safe. Let's start with this. I used AI to create this entire video. That's not just a tech flex. It instantly tells your viewers this is different. Use Pika Labs, Runway, 11 Labs, ChatGPT. Show behind the scenes of how it was built. People don't just watch to learn, they watch to be impressed. Next, I tried this viral TikTok side hustle. Here's what happened. You don't even need results to go viral, you just need the journey. Example, one faceless channel posted a 58-second AI animated video about drop servicing. It got 68,000 views in 3 days with zero voice, just text and music. Now here's a big one. 5 things I wish I knew before starting a YouTube channel. Why does this work? Because new YouTubers are most curious and active audience. Even better, use jump cuts and emotional storytelling to spike watch time. Here's another banger. How much YouTube paid me for my first 1,000 views? Even if it's just 30 cents, people want to know the reality. They're not clicking for your earnings, they're clicking for hope. Now for a killer idea. Top 5 tools that will make you a better YouTuber in 2025. Don't just name tools, use real visuals. Show your screen, create comparisons, and here's the gold. Include one tool you don't use and explain why. Contrarian thinking builds trust faster than anything. Feeling bored? Try this. What if dinosaurs were still alive today? AI animated shots in this niche are hitting millions of views even on brand new channels. Pair it with sound effects, a dark narration voice, and a short burst of facts. Want an even easier win? Try the weirdest facts you've never heard of. It works best in shots. Snackable, scroll stopping, and addictive. You can batch 20 facts in a day using ChatGPT and generate B-roll with Runway. Need proof? A Shorts channel using this exact format gained 48,000 subscribers in 3 weeks. They never spoke a word on camera. Another slept-on idea? I built my entire channel in 48 hours using only AI. This is Meta. It's documenting your process as your first video. That's content about content, and it builds instant community with other new creators. Here's a smart twist. I asked ChatGPT to run my live for 24 hours. Doesn't matter if it fails, failure is the entertainment. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be interesting. Avoid doing boring intros where you say, "Hi, I'm new and this is my first video." That's like walking into a party and shouting, "I have nothing to offer yet." Instead, lead with tension, curiosity, or a personal reveal. The hook in your title should feel like a question people secretly want to ask but don't know how. Here's the truth no one tells you. YouTube doesn't care if your video is perfect. It only cares if people can't stop watching. You want real stats? The average click-through rate for first videos is under 3%. But if your title uses curiosity and your thumbnail makes people pause, you can double that. Videos under 2 minutes have a higher retention rate, especially for shorts. But longer videos that spike emotion every 30 seconds perform better in long form. You want people to like and subscribe? Then make a video that tells them something they've never heard, like this one. I tried ranking my first video with 0 subscribers. Here's what happened. Show the tags you used, the thumbnails design process, the analytics after 24 hours, teach as you document. Because when you give value from the start, people assume the rest of your content is valuable too. And that's how you build trust one video at a time. So, whether you use AI, storytelling, animation, or just raw honesty, your first video can get views and subs from day one. All it takes is one great idea and the courage to hit publish.